Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Thursday, June the 4th, ahead of the employment report tomorrow. Markets did bounce yesterday, up 9 points, 21.16, gave back some of the gains, got as high as 20 3/4, but did back off a little bit at the close. Dow futures added 95 points, 18,096. That's about 75 points off the session high, but still a decent gain on the session. The Nasdaq up 24.5, 45.27.5. The high up in the Nasdaq to keep an eye on is 45.55. The dollar drifted lower, 95.51 down 37, sending the euro higher, 112.52 up 83, with that 114 resistance to keep an eye on. Bonds slid another 2 full points. We're trading the September contract, 149.23. So we saw yields on the curve move upward with that downward action in the long-term treasuries. Crude oil was down $1.60, even with that weaker dollar, 59.65, right below that $60 pivot that we keep an eye on every single day. And lastly, gold gave back $10 yesterday at $11.85, still below $1,200 an ounce threshold. So after the positive action yesterday, where do things stand here on this Thursday ahead of the employment numbers tomorrow morning? Well, we're off. We've given back the gains from yesterday and a little bit more. We're down 11 points in the E-mini S&P, 2105, down 86, so about the same as the gain yesterday, 18,010 in the Dow futures, and down 33 in tech at 44.97 in the NDX. The dollar is continuing its slide, 94.94, down below the 95 pivot. The euro currency, 113.41, adding another 89 ticks. We're seeing bonds off a tiny bit, off 8 ticks at 149.15 in September. Again, the yields have moved up 3.12 in the 30-year and 2.38% in the highly watched 10-year note. Crude oil is going nowhere, down a nickel at 59.60, still below 60, and gold is down $3, 11.82. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market opened, giving back yesterday's gains, right now down 11 in the S&P, 86 points lower in the Dow futures, and down 33 in the Nasdaq 100. I will see you early Friday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.